GRAFFAIN is AI-assisted platform designed to help researchers and professionals make the most of qualitative data. It has two versions in English and Turkish. However, regardless of the interface language, we can analyze qualitative data in hundreds of languages in GRAFFAIN. The GRAFFAIN interface is highly user-friendly. It requires no expertise and can be used easily by anyone. Now, I select the type of analysis I want to conduct. For example, I select Needs Analysis. Next, I upload my data. As you can see, this dataset consists of verbal responses collected in a study focusing on teachers' needs. Each paragraph represents a statement from a different individual. You should also structure your data this way. Each opinion should form a separate paragraph. I start the needs analysis. I wait a little. The waiting time will vary depending on the size of the data set. Thanks to AI support, GRAFFAIN categorized teachers' need-related statements within seconds, displayed the number of expressions in each category based on frequency, and presented example need statements in a table. Then I generate a graph that visualizes the size of the categories, that is, the proportion of statements in the overall dataset. I can download the graph and the table to my device for reporting purposes. Please remember, GRAFFAIN is an AI-powered data processing assistant. An AI may naturally produce errors. Therefore, always review the results. The categories created by GRAFFAIN are suggestions. You may combine or modify them when reporting.